It is very excited. ASM Programming, Technical Programming Committee is very excited about IMAT 2020. It provides a new opportunity to start a new conference with a specific focus, which will, as we said before, bring all materials community together. But specific focus of the entire conference will be on practical application of new materials, new developments in material science, bringing new technologies to production. And this creates an opportunity to provide programming that will address all those aspects of material science and new technologies, and provide opportunity for all society to exchange new ideas with focusing on practical application. And we believe that every participant will be able to bring some new knowledge, new learning with him or her to their working place and implement into real life.